Hello, in this video we're going to be going over Hermes' makeup look. First we're going to be going into a brown eyeshadow with the fluffy blending side of the brush, and we're going to just put a wash of color across the eyes. When doing this, you're going to want to flick the brush up and out, kind of how someone would do it with winged eyeliner. Next, using the flat end of the brush, we're going to go into a dark brown or black, whichever is available to you, and we're going to start sketching out and drawing a wing. This may seem like a daunting task to create a wing, but I promise you're just kind of flicking the brush up and outward. Here I am going along the bottom of my lash line. You're going to want to go ahead and start building up this wing shape and working on trying your best to get them symmetrical. As you can see, it's kind of hard and not always symmetrical, but as long as you can get pretty close, you'll be good. You can clean up the wing with a little bit of foundation or concealer if it gets a little bit too crazy. Here I am just blending out any harsh lines that I see on my lid. Here I am going back into that blackish brown color using the flat end of the brush and really building up the wing on the outer lash line. I recommend going under and connecting the dark brown wing into the lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going in with the shimmer eyeshadow or highlighter, whichever is available to you, and I'm putting that at the center of the lid and blending it all the way up to the eyebrow. Next, I'm using a fluffy brush to apply highlighter onto my cheekbones. You can also use your fingers if you prefer that as well. Finally, you can start cleaning up the look, or like I'm doing here, I'm applying a little bit more highlight onto my eyelid. And once you are satisfied with the look, you are done.